Hey everybody, today I'm going to give you a full in-depth tour of my brother's 2004 Vauxhall Vectra SXI 2.0 Turbo. Here's the key, so we'll start it up. We've got to click it once, twice to unlock the driver's door and all the doors. Right, let's get started. Okay. Alright, this car has a feature called the auto choke. It's done 109,537 miles on the clock. Let's start it up. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. There's your e-brake. Hang on. There's your radio. Sorry. There you go. Starts up straight away. See, it'll idle about 700 RPM, and then it'll settle to 250 RPM. I'll show you in a minute when it settles. Right, got your CD radio. All your preset stations are right here. Oh, love this radio, it's awesome. They're very sensitive, these Vauxhall radios. Yeah, okay. You've got your climate control right here. There's your temperature. You've got your defrost, defrost, your fan, and your different zones, recirculation, and your aircon. There you go. No, she's not. You've got your lock and lock, your boot, 2 electric windows at the front, and the manual at the back. There's your mirrors, and there you go. You've got your wipers, controls. There you go, and there's your rear wiper in the mirror. Okay. Sorry. There you go. There you go, and you're at click. Okay, she's starting to settle down now. Okay. So, let's just quickly turn on the hazard. And the headlights, front and rear fog lights. Take a look at the engine. Automatic driver's side window. Let's check out the exterior. Oh yeah, that lock's a bit dodgy, so I've got to unlock that when we go to the rest of the car. 19-inch VXR alloy wheels. There's your SXI sign. And there's your front fog lights, angel eyes. There's your grill. Alright. This engine is a 2-litre turbo 4-cylinder engine. Produces around 200 horsepower with a top speed of around 140 miles per hour. And it can average 30 miles to the gallon. 0 to 60 takes about 7.5 seconds. About 187 torques, and put the correct in the description. Nice. You can find this engine in the Saab as well. It's a Saab. Ooh, that front fog light doesn't work, sorry about that guys. Angel eyes, there's your SXI. Yep, there's your alloys. This exhaust hasn't got any silencers, that's why it's growling. It sounds awesome though, it really does sound mint. There's your rear lights, they are LEDs, so the camera's, that's not flashing. There's your turbo sign, there's your fog light, and your hazards. Just sounds awesome. Put the window back up. Okay. Turn everything off. Okay, so you've got a little storage area there, you can keep change. Then you've got a storage area there, so it's really up with stuff. And then you've got a storage area there. Very smooth leather wrap, power assisted steering, rear driver's side airbag. Then allow that baby on. See? The wipers aren't very good though. Alright. See how she sounds. That's absolutely awesome. Let's put you back the exhaust for the exhaust clip. So I'm gonna leave this running. Okay, right, let's turn this off. Let's continue with the rest of the tour. In the back, manual rear windows, but the winder's missing. It's very comfortable in here. There's your thingy, your mat pocket. There's your cigarette lighter, never been used, but 12-volt power outlet. Ashtrays down there, your rear heater. Controllers there. There's cut holders here, and it's a very nice place to be. It's very dry, it's warm. Okay, you can do two ways at the boot. You can do either, oh yeah, there's your fuel filler cap, and then you'll just click it and the indicators flash. And there you go. It doesn't lock when you lock the car, it will. And then to do it, if you want your car running, and then just it'll beep, a little computer will beep, then it will unlock, and then there's your cubby area. Damn it. There we go. First aid kit's there. Two kit and spare wheel is under there, but I'm not going to get it out. Right. There's your rear wash wiper, and your level brake light is on the spoiler of the boot lid. There's your rear wiper. There. Right. Sorry, the seat's a bit back on this one because my dad's been sat in it. I'm only 5'7", he's 6'3", so it's very comfy, this blue cloth and black leather interior, two-tone should I say. It's very, very comfortable indeed. It's off the SRI 150th anniversary edition. That means there's 150 of these made, 50 of the SXIs I think. But I forgot to mention about your seat. There's your seat adjustment up and down. I think that's the seat height. There's your seat length. Right, there's your electric windows at the front. Just to do the boot release and lock and unlock there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my full in-depth tour of my brother's 2004 Vauxhall Vectra SXI 2-litre turbo. I'll see you later.